have yet another Temu. It's a Temu / Dollar Tree haul. I found a couple things at Dollar Tree and one thing at Grocery Outlet. So I'll do the Temu first. Got a couple clinkers in here, but a couple good ones. So this I just got last night. These, oh, this isn't bad. This is just a hair clip for putting your hair up in a bun. It's got a nice wide tooth thing. So I'm always looking to put my hair up when I'm trying to do something. This looks like it'd be fast and easy, and I think this was really inexpensive, like $1, maybe, not sure. And these, let's see. These, I'll be right back. Okay, I got these cute hair clips. That you could use them for your dog or cat if you've got your cat to sit still. They're little antler ear things, but I use them for some of my dolls, like my Blythe doll. Let's see, here we go. And they look super cute. See if I can get it in there on her wig. There you go. Here's one. Let's get the other one. That is cute. Oops. There she went. All right, I'll be right back. Here we go. I got her situated here. It's hard to clip them into this wig. But you can use them on different dolls, or use them on yourself, or your dog or cat, like I said. But I think they're real cute, and I got an assortment. Let me put her on her stand here. Get her to stand up. Here we go, girl. That's a cute custom Blythe I have there. She's going to get a Christmas outfit. There we go. And I got an assortment, usually like maybe $2. These have little tinsely stuff. And this has a little, they all have these little cute antlers, which are very cute on Blythe dolls. Oh, this one's open. Okay. This one seems to need to be re-glued, but they're pretty cute. Happy with these. These are nice. And this, I'm not happy with. This looks very small, and it looked like, these are just pom-poms. It looked like it was felted balls and much larger. So I got my money back on these. I'm returning these. I'm not thrilled with them. So these are a no-go unless you can get a really good picture of them, and like the big nice ones. These not so much. And another no-go. I ordered these darlings with such high hope. I got 2 of them. I wanted a pine-looking darling, but this looks really plasticky and not what I had in mind at all. Oh yeah, the pine cones are even plastic, which is kind of funny. But no on these. So we'll see. Return on these as well. I'm not happy. Your returns are no problemo. So we're good. And then this, I like this. This is like a table runner scarf. The color is super pretty, and you can put it on your table, kind of ruched a little bit, and they have it in a pretty pale beige or kind of a butter shade. But this is nice. This will be very pretty because in the interim between Halloween and Christmas, I do an evergreen type display on this table. So I think this will be nice. I love the color. It's very pretty. Now I'm thinking I might need the buttercup color, or the butter color one. Very nice on that. But my bestest thing, if I'm getting over here, this tree. It's a lighted tree. It's like a little birch tree. And you can put batteries in it if you want, although I don't see a timer Now, there's no timer feature, which with batteries, I kind of like a timer. But it's really pretty, but you can plug it in. It had a USB plug thing. Let me see if I can get it going. There. But it's really nice, and it's all wired. You can zhuzh it and fluff it to your heart's content and get it all situated. I think this is very pretty. You could probably use this for all sorts of times of year. But I thought that was pretty, and it wasn't that expensive, maybe $6, maybe, thinking. So, very happy with this. Those other two return, but I see it's cute with her too. Everything's cute with her. Very nice. That's what I got in the latest Temu. So those were good. And then I picked up these. I love these at Grocery Outlet. I had to get them. It's hard to find good Frankenstein things. He's a little bit friendly, but he does look a little more menacing than your usual friendly Dollar Tree type. Very good. I like him. You get 4 of them. I think they were, I don't know, $2, something like that. Then Dollar Tree had some of these cones. I got one because we've been doing some cone things, but you could elevate it up if you wanted to. So they have these in, and they had finally, my regular one got more of these beautiful snowy trees. I love these snowy trees. So I have 3 of these now. So I'm liking these. These are pretty. They will mix into my big tray of trees I'm planning. A cavalcade of trees. I got some cheap batteries, and I got some LED light. Can you see? LED light strings. They're dollar store. There's 10 in there. Yeah, they're up in there. They're just a little rough. I'll take them out so you can see. I got 3 of these. You gotta stock up when you see these darn things. But they had ones with little things on them, but I'm gonna use these in a project. See, they're really small, but see, tiny teeny rice lights. Oops, let me back it up. There we go. And there's no timer on these, but there's an off and on switch, which is pretty good. There we go. But no timer. So I have these too. And I think that is all I have for today. So I will see you later. Bye-bye.